guy, Sully here, and we have one more video for you. You know, it's not an Overwatch video though, even though that's what you think. It's not. It's actually, it's called fidget spinning, and this is how you get views. See what you do? I can't do this with one hand. You just gotta spin it, and mine lights up, so you know, instant views.